next 2 days, this forum will serve as a venue for reflection, learning, and renewal. But more than that, this forum is an opportunity to strengthen the collective fabric that binds us together, to learn from one another, to challenge one another, and to remind one another that none of us carries this mission alone.
Let us turn our commitments in this forum into lasting institutionalized legacies for a well-nourished and empowered Filipino nation.
The work we do today will shape the health of our children and build the foundation of our nation's tomorrow. Dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay mahalaga.
I'm sure you will continue the momentum that already created. Thank you for your leadership and for your continued efforts to improve the lives of children and families in your communities.
Maraming salamat and mabuhay.
Ang tela, kapag mahigpit ang pagkakahabi, hindi madaling mapunit. Ganon din ang nutrition governance. Kapag ang DOH, DSWD, DILG at ang LGU ay magkakasama sa direksyon, matibay ang resulta. But the thread that holds it all together is you, ang mayor, ang LCE. Kayo ang nasa gitna.
Nakikita natin na very excited sila this afternoon. I'm sure napaka-productive and fruitful po yung ating dalawang sessions yesterday afternoon and this morning's pocket sessions. I hope everyone were able to get a thing or two from the shared experiences, learning from the innovations of other municipalities. So I hope you did good this pocket sessions and na-maximize talaga yung opportunities.
Napakahalaga na nagkakatulungan ang bawat mga lokal na pamahalaan na nagtutulong-tulong, and with establishing the right governance architecture that enables convergence, data use, and accountability to function consistently across time.
Sa sama-sama nating paghahabi, makakamit natin ang mas malusog na bukas.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong dedikasyon at sa inyong liderato at sa inyong patuloy na paninindigan para sa kalusugan at kinabukasan ng bawat batang Pilipino.